Hello and welcome, and today it's announced that 50% of universal credit claimants actually go without food or they lose sleep due to money worries. So this article, which was in The Sun, was online on the 2nd of September, so a few days ago. It says that over half of the people claiming are going without food and losing sleep over fears about their finances. Citizen Advice, who we all trust,
I don't think so,
are carrying out the study, blames the 5-week wait for pushing families into poverty. It also puts it down to the government benefits freeze, which means the amount of money that people can claim hasn't changed for 3 years despite inflation. Around 55% of hard-up people claiming universal credit have skipped meals to save cash, whilst 51% say money worries keep them up at night. Scores of parents who've gone without have got in touch with The Sun for the Sun campaign against universal credit. The study by the CAB, who we all love and trust,
wait a second, I don't like the sound of that,
is found that 1 in 6 households in the UK rely on welfare payouts, including the old system, with 49% struggling to meet essential costs such as rent and household bills. 2/5 of families who claim have less than £100 at the end of every month once their mortgage, food, council tax and household bills have been paid. Parents and disabled people are more likely to go without essentials, with 45% and 44% respectively missing out in the past 12 months. The campaign that The Sun are running are trying to get the amount of time to wait down to 2 weeks from 5. So if you want to go and have a look at that campaign, obviously The Sun has a vested interest in this, selling papers and news stories, but it's a genuine campaign. The Sun is also on the campaign, is also calling for the way that housing benefit is calculated is brought back into line with local rent increases. Gillian Guy from the CAB, the one that we all love and trust, says that even though the system is designed to help those in need, that's not always the case. We found people are losing sleep and are unable to afford essential things like food and housing whilst on the benefit. Totally unacceptable that our benefit system is not providing the financial security and safety net that people need. The government, who aren't really that bothered, need to take urgent action in this week's spending review by reducing the 5-week wait all the way down to 2 weeks. There are no current plans to extend or maintain the benefit freeze after March 2020. Apparently universal credit is supporting more than 2 million people at the moment and it's working for the vast majority. I wonder who said that. Well, it was the government probably, or the CAB, because it's not actually true. Advance payments provide money urgently for people if they need it, and there are measures in place to ensure repayments are affordable out of your future money. Up to 10,000 Brits on the legacy system have started to be moved over onto universal credit this summer, and basically the process is called managed migration, but it's been slammed by critics for being putting vulnerable people at risk. And the big thing here is that if the amount of money someone would get on UC is less than they are getting now, then they're in the pilot scheme, they will get transitional cash to cushion the blow. There's no leeway for the idea that you're going to be on less money regardless of how much they say that there's help. If you're on UC and you've been transferred, eventually you will be on reduced money. Right, I hope you enjoyed that little vlog, and of course don't forget we need to get some thumbs up, like and share. Of course don't forget down here, subscribe and tell your friends. Catch you later. Bye for now.